You are watching Study Zone Class 15. Like my video, subscribe my channel.
Once upon a time, in a sunny forest, Toby the turtle walked slowly from a tree. Sparky rushed past, Toby laughing loudly. "You're so slow," he teased, but Toby only smiled. Sparky shouted proudly, "Let's race!" The animals gathered, curious and excited. Everyone cheered for the challenge. Toby nodded calmly. It's not always about speed. At the starting line, the rabbit raised a flag. The crowd waited eagerly. "Go!" shouted the rabbit. Sparky dashed at it while Toby moved steady, step by step. Halfway, Sparky grew tired. He yawned. Oh no. Toby is far behind while Spartan snored on a stump. Toby walked slowly past him, steady and calm. Toby crossed the line first. The animals cheered, "Hooray!" Toby wins. Sparky lowered his head. Patience is stronger than speed. From then on, Toby and Sparky became best friends, sharing berries and smiles under the forest.